Guess what, everybody? I hosted the very first NDABA COLLAB 1.0. Hello, beautiful spectators and creators of photography. My name is David from NDABA Photography, and I just wanted to start off by saying that in my years of being a photographer, especially earlier on when I was trying to build my portfolio, I used to collab with other people who were hosting like meetups or TFP shoots. That way I can actually build up my portfolio. But I realized a couple days ago, well actually a while ago, I realized that I had never actually hosted one of my own. Not at this scale that I wanted it to be, where I would have a makeup artist or maybe a couple, or a hairstylist, a couple models, and then have a studio where we can all meet up and then I could run it and have a theme in mind and decide to get everybody on board and create this theme or a couple themes and then produce something really nice. Before I get into the whole nitty-gritty of the lighting and the themes that we were going for, the most important thing I need to do is introduce you to the most amazing team that I got to work with on that day. And this is them.
Hey guys, I'm Dom Davidson. My Instagram is at @DDavidsonPortfolio.
Anneka Presston,
Hi,
aka
Anneka.
Glamneeks.
Glamneeks.
Yeah.
Where can people find you?
My Instagram is at Anneka Presston, just my name, ANNEKAPRESSTON.
And your name is?
Angela.
Angela. Where can people find you?
On Instagram at ANNGEELAA_. Yes, that's so creative.
She's not only a hairstylist, but she's a makeup artist. What is your name?
My name is Lesley-Ann Maltar
So where can people find you?
at @LMaltar_BeautyPro.
Now that you got to meet the amazing team that I got to work with, let's talk about the themes. Now there were two themes. Now I'm not going to talk about the second theme because that's going to be coming up later on in another video. But I will be talking about the first one, which was inspired by these sets of photos here done by Elle magazine of Angelina Jolie. Now I don't really have to describe them because when you look at them, they make you feel the feels. You know what I mean? There's something in there, you know, and I asked myself why, what made these what they are, and I realized it's because A, they're in black and white, which is something very nostalgic and something very honest about black and white. And I thought to myself, I haven't done black and white in a long time, so why not I do it as well? And I really love black and white because it is very nostalgic, it's very dramatic, especially if you edit it properly, like the way I would do it, and which you will see is I like to really crush the blacks and overexpose the whites a bit and get that nice contrasty cinematic feel, but still nostalgic and honest. That coupled with, well, if you look at Angelina Jolie, she is a powerful figure in the limelight. She's trying to change the world. She is, you know, doing good things for humanity, and she's a beautiful, beautiful woman. That was the theme, that was the inspiration for that. So I thought to myself, okay, why not have my models come with an outfit, a couple outfits, but one of them be a suit. And I gave them respective suits that they should wear from my vision and have them in different forms of the suit. So they can have it with a suit jacket on, they can have it without the suit jacket, then we'll have it just with the blouse and the pants, and then take off the blouse and then have just like the bra and the blazer back on, and then have it more of a casual, I'm still a business person, but kind of that contradictory that I am still a person, you know what I mean? I'm me. Like, this is just a jacket, this is just a suit. I am powerful inside, it's not what I'm wearing on the outside, it's who I am on the inside. And that comes through facial expression over here. Anyway, so that's the theme. So why not take a little quick look at the behind the scenes of what we did on that day. So there you go. A nice little behind the scenes look to the very first NDABA Collab 1.0. I'd like to thank the team that I got to work with. That's Dom, Anneka, Angela, and Lesley-Ann. They were all so amazing. I mean, I really was so lucky to be able to work with them. And one special shout out to my boy Shaq at Studio 6 Photography, who allowed us to use his space at Studio City South downtown in Toronto. Like I always say, it doesn't matter how big or small the space you got. Doesn't matter the type of gear that you have. The most important thing that you have is up here. Because the most important tool that you have is your creativity. Until next time, cheers. I hope you enjoyed that video. For inquiries, please visit www.ndaba.ca. That's NDABA.ca. Also, check us out on social media at NDABA Photography. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fun stuff.